Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here sharing my kit plans for October. So for the month, there are 4 weeks that are primarily in October, and my plan is to kind of start getting into the spooky vibes pretty early, and then we'll see, kind of mix it up with some fall vibes as well. But I am excited for all of these kits. So first off, it's the week of October 2 through 8. For this week, I'm going to use this kit from Life with Mayra. It's called Halloween. I thought it would be a perfect start for spooky season. Very cute and fun, and I like, we get some little weather guys. We get a lot of icons and little things. But I like the inclusion of purple as well as the yellow, black, orange, white. I think it's really fun and cute, and I'm excited to get started on spooky season pretty early. So next week is October 9th through the 15th, and that's going to be a crazy busy week for me for work. So I thought it might be nice to do kind of a coffee fall themed kit. So this one's from Counting Sheepy. It's called Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice. I think I might have used this kit before a lot of years ago, maybe like 2 or 3, but I thought it would be really fun to use for this week. Lots of functional boxes, which will be really helpful, I think. But then also these cute boxes here, and definitely I'm going to need all the coffee that week, so I thought that it would be fun to use this kit. The next week is October 16th through 22nd. This is another week that's going to be really busy for me. So I thought instead of a directly spooky kit, I would use this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Black and Copper. And I felt like with the kind of heavy black focus, it does kind of have spooky vibes, but still manages to be a more general kind of kit. So I thought that that would be fun for this week, and it should be pretty functional to help with some of the work stuff that I need to get done. And then the last week that's primarily in the month is October 23rd through the 29th. And I did want to get another spooky kit in for this week. This one is called Nicole Kelly. This one's Halloween. Very classic spooky vibes, but I thought this would be a really fun kit to use to get in that Halloween vibe, especially for Halloween weekend. I thought that would be really fun. So I'm going to use this kit for that week. I do think I'll probably do one more Halloween kit in the first week of November that actually has Halloween in it. But in the meantime, I thought it would be fun to get some more spooky vibes in. So this is what I'm going to be using for the month of October. Please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which kit you're most excited to see me use, or what kit you're most excited to use, or just leave me a spooky emoji to say hi. I would love to say hi back. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads in my planners, including these with these kits, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.